We are finally at the beautiful beach today. Look at the blue water and the soft sand. Let us find a good spot to stay.
Lucy, please do not stay in the cold water for too long today. It is very important to stay warm and be very safe.
Look at me, Mommy and Daddy. The water feels so cool, and the waves are very big and fun to play in right now.
The sun is very strong today, so I will put up this big umbrella. We must have some shade to stay cool and safe.
I want to see what is deep under the water. The fish are swimming down there, and I want to follow them all day.
Lucy, the wind is getting much stronger, and it is time to come out now. Please come here and dry yourself with a towel.
I cannot hear you over the sound of the ocean waves. I want to swim for a few more minutes because it is fun.
It is time to go home, Lucy. The water is getting cold, and you have been swimming for a very long time. Let us go.
That was such a long day at the beach. Are you feeling okay, Lucy? You look a little bit quiet and your face is pale.
We are finally home in our warm house. Lucy, why are you shaking? Please tell me if you feel cold or if you feel sick.
Achoo! Oh no, I hope my mom and dad did not hear that sneeze because I really want to keep playing tonight. I will just hide my nose behind my fluffy teddy bear so no one can see that I am feeling a little sick.
Lucy, you look a bit shaky over there on the sofa. Are you feeling cold after our long day at the big beach?
No, Daddy, I am not cold at all. I am just very excited and happy to be home to play with my toys.
Lucy seems a bit too quiet this evening, but I should keep a very close eye on her while I finish making our dinner.
A warm bowl of healthy soup is exactly what my family needs to stay strong and feel better after a day outside.
Come to the table, everyone. Dinner is ready, and the soup is nice and warm, so let us all sit down and eat.
Why are you just looking at your bowl, Lucy? This soup is your favorite, and it smells delicious, so please take a bite.
Oh my, Lucci, your hand feels very cold, and you look a bit pale. Please tell me exactly how you are feeling right now.
Cough, cough. I am just very full from the snacks we had earlier, Mommy, so I do not think I can eat anymore. I am very tired now, so I want to go to my bedroom and sleep early. May I leave the table, please, Mommy? My head feels very heavy and my legs are shaking. I just need to get to my bed and lie down for a while.
Oh no, my forehead feels very hot and I feel very cold. I think I have a fever, but I am so scared.
I must not tell Mom and Dad that I am sick. If I tell them, maybe they will take me to see a doctor.
Good night, my little Lucci. You look very tired today, so make sure you sleep well and have some very sweet dreams tonight. You are already asleep, my sweet girl. I will turn off the light now. See you in the morning. I love you.
I cannot sleep because my throat hurts and I feel so hot. The room is moving around and I feel very sick now. I am coughing so much and my body is shaking. I really want to call for my mommy, but I am still very scared.
My throat is so dry and I need some water to drink. I will try to get my bottle from the table over there.
Oh no! I dropped my water bottle and made a big mess. Now Mom and Dad will definitely hear me and come inside.
Lucy, what happened? I heard a loud noise and came as fast as I could. Are you okay, my sweet little girl? Oh my goodness, Lucy. Your head is very hot and you are sweating a lot. We need to help you feel better right now.
I am sorry, Mommy. I feel very sick and my head hurts so much. I was trying to hide it because I was scared. I did not want to tell you because I thought the doctor would give me a big, scary shot. I am very afraid of needles.
Do not be afraid, Lucci. Doctors are our friends who help us get well. We will be right there with you the whole time today.
Here is a cool cloth for your head, Lucy. This will help you feel a little bit better while we get ready to rest.
Good morning, Lucy. You look very tired today. You did not sleep well because you have a fever. We must go see the doctor now. We are going to see Dr. Brown today. He is very kind, and he will know exactly what medicine you need to feel better soon.
Okay, Mommy. I will try to be very brave like a big girl. I want my tummy and my head to stop hurting so much.
Let us put on your warm jacket, Lucci. It is time to go to the car so we can visit the clinic and help you.
Hold on tight, Lucci. I will carry you to the car carefully so we can go see the nice doctor together right now.
Look at the beautiful trees outside, Lucy. We are almost there, and the clinic has many toys for you to play with today. Here we are at the clinic. It is very bright and colorful here. Let us find a seat while we wait for your turn.
Look, Mommy! Those children are playing with big blocks and they are laughing. I think this place is not scary at all for me.
The doctor is ready for us now. Let us walk inside together. You are being such a brave girl today, my sweet Lucy.
Oh, that cold thing on my chest feels very tickly and funny. It makes me want to giggle because it is so cold now. Wow, a red heart sticker for me. I love it so much. Thank you for being so kind to me, Mr. Doctor. I feel better.
See? The doctor only wanted to help you feel better. You were very brave, and now we can go home and rest some more.
I am so proud of you, Luci. You did a great job at the clinic. Now let us go home so you can rest comfortably.
I feel much better now that I have my medicine and my cozy blanket. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for taking care of me.
You are doing a great job taking your medicine, Lucy. This strawberry syrup will help you feel much better very soon.
Look at me, Daddy! My head does not hurt anymore, and I have a lot of energy to play with my toys now. I promise I will always tell you if I feel sick. I am not afraid of the kind doctor anymore, thank you.